So, this is the BPQ250, and this is fully decked out with a NAS 32 and Emax 1806 motors, the Fat Shark CMOS camera, locator for when it lands in the weeds, and a 600 watt transmitter using the Lemon radio and the Emax Simon K 12 amp ESCs. So you go out for a day of FPVing in the morning, racing with your buddies, and in the afternoon you want to use your FPV rig, but you don't necessarily want to go racing. Maybe you want to go out and do some aerial photography for that real estate friend of yours that you're going to give the pictures to for free. The 1806s aren't, they're a little lighter motor. They're meant for lightweight. And let's say though that you have another BPQ with Cobra motors, nice big heavy, stronger, much stronger motors, and you have your quad set up for a different purpose, like with a flip, and the PIDs are tuned differently, so you can do your aerial photography, but you still want to use your FPV cam for pointing and stuff. So what to do? You have to rebuild another quad, you have to build a whole nother new quad, or the easy thing to do, and the unique feature of the BPQ250, is that you can simply take the FPV section right off of it and leave behind your flight controller, like this. Takes two hands. And Presto Chango. You've moved your FPV section just like that over to an entirely different drivetrain and flight controller. Maybe on this quad you might have your carbon fiber props that you're not really interested in racing and smashing up. And you just set it right down like this, velcro that up, hook up the power to your video system, do it with the right polarity so the connector actually goes together, and you can press it together as easy as pie. Install your larger battery, like thus. And there you go. Now we just changed our entire FPV pod from the quad that was running on 1806s with NAS controller. This one now has a flip. You can use your goggles. Same transmitter. Now we have a diversity transmitter for the receiver for the radio. And this one you might have, like I said, carbon fiber props, or maybe you want to run 50-30s, on the other one 50-40s, and you can just change them out. So now all you gotta do is fold it up and put it in your suitcase and go off to work. And I'll show you how to do a real quick fold here. Loosen up those screws so you can pull these right out. If your hands are better at this than mine, then you could probably do this easier. As a matter of fact, I know the proper tool for this that I didn't use. And voila, quad folds. Stick in your suitcase, go to your site where you're going to fly, pull the arms back out, push these screws back in, just like this. You can tighten them up with a screwdriver if you want. Press fit will usually work just fine. Okay, there we are. You're ready to fly back out at your other site. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that.